This is crazy. This is Amazon.com, and you can see how many sales are there for greeting cards. This is just like very low cost business that we can start immediately online, right? 1,000 sales, $10,000, simple. 1,000 sales, $29.99, and $30,000 value of sale. $12, 1,000 sales. $22, 1,000 sales, 5,000 sales at $22. I'm so much interested in starting a business where we can simply get listing of such products into an e-commerce store. And people are thinking to do many different businesses, but I feel that starting a business where you can just list products which are manufactured in India at just about 2, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, that's all, and we can sell it at such kind of amount is highly profitable. This is the business of greetings cards, wedding cards, and these kind of things have got regular demand. Even if it is recession, people will still be giving greeting cards to their loved ones. And this is where the business opportunity is. So I want you to explore this business opportunity with me with the plug and play ready-made e-commerce business that I will be giving you. You can get started with this business immediately. Even if you're a working professional, you can have this business as a side income generation model. And once it is making good profits within a few months, you can quit your job and get into a full-time business with me. So this is Amazon.com, this is Etsy.com, and in Etsy also you can see many of these listings are there of greeting cards. They're so beautiful and nice, right? But these are just designs and people are interested to buy this. This is interesting. Same research in Lazada. This is a Singapore-based website. Here also you can see like 22,300 sold. That's amazing. That means people are buying this and you have great opportunity to sell these products and make money. Check out in Rakuten.com. Here also you can see a lot of sales, very cute and nice things are there. So what I suggest you, get started with a plug and play e-commerce export business. And you know what we can do best? We can go for handmade greeting cards because handmade has got a different level of value and love for that, right? So these are not very expensive. So 17 rupees thing, that's all. So we can just get started with the product sales like this. We can just list them into an e-commerce store. I will give you my e-commerce store builder. My brand is Shripur. I'll give you your own e-commerce store where you can simply list the products. I have 65 categories of product, about 8,300 products I'm already selling in my e-commerce. So same way you can get started with your own e-commerce sales. See, this is my sales for the last 30 days and this is my lifetime of sales. See, I'm showing you the analytics because I have been showing you practical because a lot of people just take screenshots. These are the e-commerce store themes that you can. So all these software tools, plugins, what you are seeing right now for SEO, for going in the Google search, top linking, or for doing paid ads, everything is included in this one single package itself. So you get started with the ready-made plug and play e-commerce business. I'm a mentor at Indian Institute of E-commerce. I have been the program director for Alibaba Group in China. With all my experience and expertise, I'll be giving you the complete end-to-end training on how to build this e-commerce store, how to get sales, how to make money, how to sell these products in bulk quantities. So when you are selling, you're making profits. For example, if you are selling a greeting card internationally at, let's say, about $10, that's the lowest price, right? But we will sell not less than 1,000. Okay, 1,000 because we are doing wholesaling. So somebody who is buying from you because this is handmade, you know well that the actual cost is $1. We are still going to sell at $10 because in the international market for handcrafted, you can easily, see that people are selling at not less than $20. So they will still have a 50% profit margin. So even if they're investing $10,000 by paying you $10 for each, they can still sell and they can make about $20,000. Now you'll be thinking like they can do it by themselves only if it is handcrafted, but no. Actually, the cost of the paper and the work, the time, that is more expensive than what we are going to give them. So if they have to do it, it will be coming at around $40, $45 for them. I have already done this calculation. So I want you to get into a business where you can do some serious business along with me. So I'll teach you how to do this e-commerce store development, how to do the marketing, how to list these products, and how do we make sales. And trust me, greeting cards, gift items, these things are always going to be in demand. And so this is so lightweight thing. So of course you can even sell in single quantity also. You can keep exporting, you can keep making money. I'm giving you the business idea. My job is to give you the opportunity. I can also teach you practically online, live, interactive training will be there, how to build this e-commerce store, how to do day-to-day operations management, how to do the logistic, how to do courier, how to do fulfillment of the product, how to make sure that they're not returning this to you, how to make profits, how to get funds, all that thing. And also I'll be teaching you how to do ads. how to be in the top of the Google search so that you can make some great amount of profits in this. So this will be video based training plus live training plus practical e-commerce store development training, and I give you this access for lifetime. So lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support from our mentors and guides who are there. So even if you're a working professional, entrepreneur, student, freelancer, you can get started with an e-commerce business today, because Indian Institute of E-commerce, this has always been used for the high standards and the quality with the companies like Amazon, Alibaba, MSME, Tata Group, WTO, all are our partners. And with this certified e-commerce professional program, you will have complete all-in-one training and support from my team exclusively so that you can build your e-commerce store. So this program comes with access of lifetime content related to different modules with the fundamentals of e-commerce to store development, management, marketing, and you will be having content access that is in format that are video lectures, ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, and to have more practicals, we are giving you software tools also. So IIC is fully affiliated with AICTE, that is Ministry of Education, then Tata Group, EDII, Amazon, Alibaba, WTO, and many more prominent members. And I myself have been active. I'm passionate for teaching entrepreneurs about e-commerce exports because I did my master's in international trade. This is World Trade Center where I have my office in Bangalore, but I now stay in Dubai. I stay in many other countries. I keep traveling because I'm into export business, and I think that it's very easy for someone like you to get started with an e-commerce business very easily with the e-commerce export opportunity. Even if you are working, you can still do it. These are some of the experts and mentors at IIC who will be there to assist you, guide you regularly. And this is my profile, which you can check in the team section. So we've been active since 2015, and 2015 till now we have got many intellectual properties, trademarks, copyrights, and we are fully affiliated to Ministry of Education, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and the certification, training, support, and the e-commerce store builder that I'm giving you. These all are going to give the value that you are not expecting from any institution. Most of the people teach in theory, but we teach you practically. So what you're going to get from me is the complete support. That means the store builder, the mentorship, and the database of buyers and suppliers. And also you'll be getting the training on how to find these buyers and suppliers so that these buying houses who are going to buy from you, they will be buying from you in bulk quantity, and you can be the market leader in exports of such kind of products. You can also sell online through Etsy. You can also sell through Amazon. You can make about 8 to 10 lakh rupees minimum profits a month itself if you start following the process of digital marketing strategies that I'm teaching you. And apart from this business will never be flop because this is recession proof industry. People buy in bulk. For example, if somebody gets married, so for marriage they need this wedding cards. So how many people they invite? Maybe about 500,000 people. So just think about if you have one good product like a nice wedding card design, and you have a company in the foreign country who is into wedding card supply, and he is going to continuously buy from you. This setup I'll give you, and then you can keep supplying to this one single person only, and he will keep distributing to many people who are contacting him for getting those wedding cards. So even if he is making about let's say in a month itself 20 wedding cards order from 20 different weddings, and he's getting an average of let's say 500, so he's still going to get you about how much? 1 lakh wedding cards order. This is one. Like this, we have to just find out a few, and then the business is on. And apart from this, we can also sell through marketplaces. I have 500 plus marketing strategies and ideas which will make you a genius marketer, digital marketer, and e-commerce exporter with my program. Yes, so this is the e-commerce store builder with the operations support, with the digital marketing training, all inclusive in the single program. So how much do you think should be this business opportunity, this cost, where you're getting everything as a package? 17 certifications, live training, recorded content, digital marketing software, e-commerce store builder, and ongoing support with live access every single day with lifetime access of the contents. How much do you think? Generally, people will charge you for this as a franchise opportunity about 20 to 30 lakh rupees. That, okay, you are going to start an e-commerce business, you'll do export, you'll make some 50, 60 lakh rupees a month. So they will be charging you such amount of money. But here I know that our vision is to make India's exports grow. And for this reason, I have made sure it is just cost to cost. If your business is well, we are earning together, right? So with this plug and play store builder, with the ready-made export business, with the complementary data, buyers data, suppliers data, plus a store, plus mentorship, plus course access, certification, every single thing included, whatever you are seeing right now, everything that you're seeing in the mentorship is included in this also. So you can get started with a ready-made plug-and-play business opportunity with my business IIEC, and you can get started with export immediately. So even if you're a working professional, do not worry. Do not worry that you have to be in that life which you do not like. Even if you're liking that, you wanted a better life. And for better life, you need that big money. And you can get started with export business using e-commerce. It's a work from home business. You can get started quickly and you can transform your finances with this program. So join us today. Don't miss out this wonderful opportunity.